Hi, this is James Taylor with Heritage Maine Real Estate. Real estate for buyers and sellers that want a relationship and a consultant, not a salesperson. So, in my travels the last few days, I have heard a commercial a few times on the radio stating that if you want to see a house today and you're in this crazy market and want to get in to see a house right away, call a Redfin agent. They'll get you in today. I thought that was kind of odd. So then at the end of the commercial, they, of course, in the disclaimer that they whisper and speak really fast, tell you it's based on property and agent availability. So it's exactly like every other agent in this business, based on property and agent availability. If you want to see a house today, I want to get you in that house today. Doesn't mean I can. Most properties require 24 hours notice, but I want to get you in today. So don't just listen to the radio and hear these things and think they're the best out there. Every agent wants to help you. Thank you.